Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change music volume in Star Wars Episode 1 Jedi Power Battles. So all you need to do, just press the down arrow key until you reach options, then hit enter. Go down with the arrow key to hit audio, and then as you see there's the music volume. All you need to do, just press the right arrow key to turn the volume up, or if you want to lower the volume, just press the left arrow key to turn the volume down. And you can make sure it applies, just hit enter, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.